How will you copy an object in Python? In Python, you can copy an object using either shallow copy or deep copy depending on your needs. A shallow copy creates a new object that points to same memory location as the original object, while a deep copy creates a new object with a new memory location that is exact replica of original object. Here is how you can copy an object using both the methods. Shallow copy. To create a shallow copy of an object, you can use the copy method or the slicing operator. Example, we are importing the copy module. We will use the copy method. We have a list of integers 1 to 3 with name original underscore list. On original underscore list, we call the copy method. So we are creating shallow copy of this object with the name new underscore list. This new underscore list and original underscore list are pointing to the same memory location. Any operation done on the new list or original list will reflect on both the objects. So when we print new list, it will print 1 to 3, which were the content of original list. Similarly, we have a dictionary of key value pairs A1, B2, C3. So we have uh, it as a name original underscore dict. On original underscore dict, we are calling the copy method. So this will create a shallow copy. This shallow copy will be stored with a new name new underscore dict. So new underscore dict is a dictionary object. Original underscore dict is also a dictionary object which is pointing to the same memory location. We print new dict, it will print A1, B2, C3 on the user screen. The above example, we create a shallow copy of a list and a dictionary using the copy method. Deep copy. To create a deep copy of an object, you can use the deep copy function from the copy module. So using deep copy function, so we import the copy module. We have a original list which is a list of list containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now using copy modules deep copy function for the original list, we are passing original list as an argument to this function. This will create a object new underscore list. Now the memory location of new underscore list and original underscore list are different, but this new underscore list is exact replica of the original list. Note, any changes done to either of these list will not affect either of them. So if new list is changed, it will not affect original list. If the original list is changed, it will not affect new list. We print the new list on the user screen. See, it is the exact replica of a original list. Now we are modifying original list. So what we are doing at position 0 0, which is an element 1, we are storing 0. So original list contain two element 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0th will be 1 2 3. In this 0th we are accessing the 0th element, means this position. So 0 0 points to this index. To that index we are storing 0. So when we print the original list, the output should be 0 2 3 4 5 6. As it is a deep copy, if we print the new list, it will not reflect the changes done to the original list. Therefore, the output should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. You click on the cell and run the cell, you can see the difference. As the memory location were different, any changes done to the original list were not reflected in the new list because we were using deep copy. In the above example, we created a deep copy of nested list using the deep copy function. We then modified the original list and see that the new list is not affected and it has its own memory location. These are the two main ways to copy an object in Python. Choose the appropriate method based on the need of your code. That's it for this video.